Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Bank of America to Capital One. First, go to Bank of America website and sign in to your online banking account. You can also do this through the mobile app. The process is the same. On the top menu, hover over Transfer and Pay. Then select Transfer between my accounts or Transfer to other banks. Click Add Account or Recipient, then enter your Capital One account details, including your routing and account number. Once added, choose your Bank of America account as the source, enter the amount, and confirm the transfer. And that's it. Your money will be sent from Bank of America to Capital One, usually within 1 to 3 business days. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.